This is how I plan months in advance. First, I use year-at-a-glance pages in my planner. I write down all the birthdays and holidays. Then, I write down monthly bills, annual bills, and subscription renewal dates. I mark some dates in pencil, so I can erase it if necessary. I also note major astrological events, like Mercury retrograde dates. Every month, I copy the events from Year at a Glance to Month at a Glance and Current Month pages. Sometimes I use stickers to insert events months ahead. Just like that. I can also just use a pen with different color ink for some events and specific small stickers that are pretty much self-explanatory. I use other small stickers to mark week-long plans and vacation start and end dates. Holiday decorating plans are also important. Small and big sticky notes can be very useful as well. Those plans eventually end up on my weekly pages. Thank you for watching.